When the most innovative business solutions QSO partners with employee benefits experts from the world's largest independent insurance broker, you get superior employee benefit solutions for credit unions. You get iCare. And that means you get access to big data. Big data means big savings and big benefits.
Before, we didn't have access to our own data as far as our claims go and where our claims were at.
With our fully insured plan, it was very difficult in getting reports. We had to ask for them a lot.
If you don't have data, you're just guessing.
You're always just afraid of the unknowns.
Here at iCare, we're big fans of big data. Big data that helps credit unions make informed, long-term strategic decisions. Big data that helps improve employee benefits and cut costs.
iCare offered upfront, meaningful cost savings, which would help us use the data better and really help drive our long-term cost curves down.
That's what really iCare is focused on, is ultimately bending the cost curve.
We thought Lockton was extremely helpful in the process. They did a great job at providing us transparency around the cost savings potential and the worst case scenarios. And they did so with the backing of data that came to them from a full actuarial staff.
And as I start looking through, the monthly reports that I get, I'm surprised by what I'm seeing, and I really wish I would have started seeing it sooner. We've got opportunities that we could have been doing something about a long time ago, and we just didn't have the information available to us.
With iCare and with Lockton, we get some very good reports. We do get an advantage there of being self-funding, that we can get customized reports. And we also get monthly cost of how much we're spending at each vendor. And the nice thing is we can project this out over a year, which is really good. So for next year, we're gonna have a really good idea of what we'll be able to charge our employees.
Obviously we want to gather data over time. We know that we have the flexibility to customize our plan as we go forward. So as we learn more about, our own data, we'll be able to learn from that and make some customized changes to the plan.
Lockton, being a partner that has the credit union business that they have, made it very attractive to us because their data was related to what we were experiencing.
The service I'm now able to provide to our employees, being self-funded, is so much greater than I could do fully insured. But the fact that I have more access to information, which I take very seriously, and of course, feel it's very important that the employees trust me, which they do, I can respond to them quicker, I can help them more effective than I was able to before with the access that we have to the information now.
Healthcare is going to continue to go up, but being able to have a glimpse and a picture into that data and the analytics behind that, you're able to look and be predictive in seeing what's happening.
We have a lot more access to data that we never had the opportunity to have before. So having the information and not having to seek it out makes all the difference in the world.
Imagine combining your credit union's employee benefit data and analytics in a big pool with other credit unions nationwide. Think of how useful that big pool of information could be to you, your credit union, and your employees. Big data means big savings and big benefits. Get iCare and get access to big data.